Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start with the YouTube video open. Copy the full URL so you can paste it later. Once done, make sure you're logged into the Instagram account you want a post from, because account type can affect stickers. Tap the camera icon to create a story. Choose a photo or video background now. You're setting the stage. This first step saves time and prevents permissions trouble, so pause here only to verify the copied link in your clipboard. With your background ready, tap the sticker button and select the link sticker. This is how Instagram wraps an external URL into a story. Paste the YouTube URL into the link field and press Done. Then edit the sticker text if you want a clearer call to action. Drag and resize the sticker so it sits where viewers will naturally look. Make sure contrast and readability are good, because if viewers can't read the sticker, they won't tap it. Before you post, preview the story to confirm the link sticker opens the YouTube video when tapped. This verifies everything works. Once satisfied, share to your story or restrict to close friends if you prefer a test round. If viewers report the link won't open, stop and recopy the YouTube URL, force close Instagram, update the app, and retry the link sticker. Sometimes cache or app versions block external links.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.